Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Alan. I'm the Medical Director for Diamond Skincare, and today I'd just like to run through a little bit about what to do if you suspect you might have a skin cancer. A lot of our patients end up with this suspicion if somebody in their family or friends circle has had a skin cancer recently diagnosed, or if your GP is slightly concerned about a mole you have. So the conventional route, the commonest route, is to go to your GP and ask them to have a look at anything you might be worried about. If your GP is happy that there's no problems, they'll let you know and they can discharge you. If, however, they have a suspicion or they're not happy with what they see, they will refer you to a local dermatology department in a hospital. This is a process that can take up to 2 weeks. When you are seen at the hospital, once again, you'll be assessed by somebody, and if they're happy that there's no problems, they can discharge you, or if they suspect there might be a problem, they'll arrange some treatment, and the required treatment can then take up to 4 weeks. Your second option is there are a number of private providers around whom you can make an appointment with quite quickly. In these circumstances, the way the service is designed, a photograph is taken. It's quite a specialized photograph when you go for your appointment. That photograph is then sent to an expert. The expert assesses the photograph, and in 5 days you'll get a report. The report then tells you either everything is okay or that there's a problem suspected. Now, if there is a problem suspected, unfortunately, this provider then recommends that you see your GP. So with your second option, you could save quite a lot of time. It would just take you 5 days, or alternatively, you might have added 5 days to the original 6-week wait. We designed a service called Skinscape Clinics in Diamond Skincare, and it works slightly differently, and I'll just show you what we do that's a little bit different from the other two options. You're able to make an appointment essentially within 3 days with Diamond Skincare. When you are seen, you're seen live by an expert, not by anybody who's taking photographs, but the individual you see will be an expert dermoscopist and can actually take your full history and do the examination and give you an instant result. This is a full body check, uses an advanced technique to look under the skin with something called a dermatoscope. And you get an instant result there and then, so you get peace of mind right there and then, or you're told that there's a problem that needs to be sorted out. If there is treatment required, that treatment can be arranged within 3 days.